got a measuring tape.
Measure how?
It's time to measure my cock.
You're fired. I'm getting a new partner. Everybody, focus on me. Camera high.
It's because your head is so small. You can't see.
My head is so small. That means my brain must be giant. A giant.
A vagina. Vaginant.
Vagina.
Dude, I think I've got bad.
Oh.
Shut up.
Yeah, camera. Charles.
Carl. Oh, I have a free tomorrow.
Oh.
Oh, I've got homework to do tomorrow. I'll be cool. I'll be good. It's so nice, isn't it?
Oh.
Dude, I don't want to have sex with you if that's what happens. We should top